The dog's bell John lived in a small, quiet village where everyone knew each other. People in the village were friendly, kind, and helpful. But there was one problem. John had a dog, and his dog was not a good dog. The dog was strong and fast, but he had a terrible habit. He liked to bite people, not because he was hungry, not because he was scared. He bit people simply because he could. At first, the villagers tried to be patient. They avoided the dog. They walked carefully near John's house, but the dog kept biting. Soon, everyone in the village knew about John's dog. Parents warned their children. Visitors stayed away. "No one goes near John's house," people said. "That dog will bite you." John felt very worried. "This is not right," he thought. "My dog should not behave this way." John tried many things. He spoke to the dog calmly. "Be gentle," he said. He tried to train the dog. He tried to teach him to sit and stay. Nothing worked. John did not want to punish the dog. He loved him. But every day John asked himself the same question. How can I stop my dog's bad habit? One afternoon, John's close friend came to visit him. They sat together and talked seriously. "My friend," the man said, "the people in the village are afraid. They asked me to speak for them." John lowered his head. The friend continued, "We don't want to hurt your dog, but something must change." Then he said, "Why don't you put a bell around your dog's neck?" John looked surprised. "A bell?" he asked. "Yes," the friend replied. "If your dog wears a bell, people will hear him coming. They can stay away. He won't be able to bite anyone." John thought carefully. "That's a good idea," he said. "It protects people and my dog." So the next day, John put a bell around the dog's neck. The bell was shiny. It made a clear sound with every step. The dog shook his head. "Ring, ring." The dog liked it immediately. When he walked through the village, people heard the bell. They stopped. They moved aside. They watched him carefully. The dog felt proud. "Everyone is looking at me," he thought. "They must like me." He walked taller. He moved slowly so the bell would ring more. Ring, ring. The dog felt important. One day, the dog met a group of other dogs in the village. They noticed the bell right away. "What is that?" One dog laughed. "It's my bell," John's dog said proudly. "People look at me because of it." The other dogs laughed even louder. "Don't you understand?" One of them said. "They don't look at you because they like you. They look at you because they are afraid." Another dog said. "The bell tells them where you are," the dogs explained, "so they can stay away from you." John's dog shook his head. "No," he said. "I'm popular." The other dogs sighed. "You have the wrong idea," they said. "Being noticed is not the same as being loved." The dog walked away quietly. For the first time, he listened to the bell. Ring, ring. It did not sound happy anymore, and the dog began to understand an important lesson. Attention does not always mean respect, and popularity is meaningless if it is built on fear.